What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode here, and man, are things changing in a hurry. Kind of going in a little bit different direction. Gonna kind of show you guys what we got going on here. This is just gonna be a real short video. Decided to do something that I really wasn't sure I wanted to do, but we're gonna pull the trigger on it since we're gonna be running a new class this season. So stay tuned, and we'll get right into that video. We were able to tell that I had ran them, so I'm gonna kind of show you guys. Alrighty guys, so we're getting the car jacked up right now. Just trying to get it up in the air, get it nice and safe. It's going to be sitting on jack stands for probably a week, roughly. What we're actually doing here is we're going to be changing tires. So we ran last season on the Falken RT660s. Absolutely loved these tires. I cannot say enough about them. Good things. I mean, the tire tread, we ran a full season and the tire tread's still like probably 75 to 80%. Worked amazing when they got hot. We did autocrosses, we did HPDEs, we did high-speed autocross. Thumbs up, nothing but good things to say about them. But since we're gonna be dumping a whole lot more horsepower into the car for this coming season, we are going to be upgrading. If you're wondering, yes, it's still winter here. It's just actually a halfway decent evening, and we need to get these tires off, or get the wheels off, so I can get them to GMJ Automotive up in Adams, and they're gonna pull these tires off because they're actually already sold to a guy over in the Fox Valley area. So they're already gone, and we're putting that money towards a set of Hoosier R7s. Yes, we are going to be running DOT approved slicks. So pretty excited about that. Yeah, we'll probably have a separate video about those, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update. We're gonna get this thing up in the air, get the wheels off, get those to GMJ Automotive tomorrow morning so we can get them pulled off for me. And we're gonna say see you later to the Falken RT660s. We will miss you guys. Like I said, nothing but good things to say about them. So let's get after it. Got the car up in the air. We're gonna blast them wheels off quick. We'll be good to go. Quick update on Cindy's car. Her car is now technically drivable. She's getting the front bumper painted and all that fun stuff. But yeah, all we really need to do is I just have to get a hose from here to the overflow bottle, add some more antifreeze to it, and we're waiting for some other parts. We got intake coming, cooler intake. We got some new lift struts for the back. Her car doesn't have the tow hooks underneath. We need those for trailering, so we got a set of those coming. Somebody had that stuff on eBay, so she's got that coming. We got to get the door handle off yet, get that painted, and both the driver and passenger side window motors took a crap. So this window's stuck down, that one's stuck up. Yeah, well, quick little update on this one, but excited to give this thing its first test drive and shake down here soon as the weather kind of breaks here. But we'll get these wheels off and get them up to GMJ. All right, guys, so we got the wheels and tires off. Those will be going to GMJ tomorrow. As you can see, great shape yet. It's got the tire chalk on them from running this summer, but great tires. 225, 45, 15, in case you guys forgot what size we were running. And it is on a 15 by 8 wheel. So it's 8-inch wide wheel. Great, perfect size for the 225 width. So yeah, one other quick thing here. I think you guys maybe caught a glimpse of it. We got a time attack spoiler on here. Still doing a few modifications to it to make it look a little bit nicer. I'm going to change up this bracket. We basically had to modify this wing to work on this car. It was Brandon's. If you don't know who Brandon is one of our good friends that we race with. He's in our class. We had a good points battle with him all last season. It came down tooth and nail to the very last race at the end of the season. So yeah, he donated the wing to the cause. So we're gonna do a few modifications to it yet, make it look a little bit nicer. These aren't gonna stay the bare aluminum. Everything's gonna be painted. They'll look sweet. Actually need to make this one longer because you can see the angle in this one and that one is different, and it's because this one is too short. So yeah, gonna change that up yet, but other than that, if you guys want to just take a look here, the brakes, so these had a full season on them. Normally I would not recommend drilled and slotted, at least not for the front. We had issues earlier in the season, but the rear seemed to be okay. I didn't notice any cracking or anything like that in the rotors. The fronts, on the other hand, did crack. We are running Hawk HP Plus brake pads in the front, and just basically either a semi-metallic or ceramic, like a CarQuest brand in the rear. So Hawk HP Pluses, way to go. Honestly, this car is light enough where you don't need to have big brakes on it. You're fine. Just run it with a stock-ish rotor. It's just a CarQuest rotor as well. So might throw a new set of rotors on before the season starts. We'll see. Honestly, I'm not too concerned about it. Our next big project is pulling this engine out. The head is going on our built block that we are building. That's down at full bore. So that's the next plan. So step 1, get these bad boys GMJ. Step 2, get the Hoosiers mounted. Step 3, pull the engine. Once I get the tires on, this car and this car will be switching places. So we need the extra room over on this side of the garage, plus the toolboxes over here, to be able to use the chain hoist and stuff. So yeah, as soon as I get the tires back and get them mounted, we'll be swapping positions, and that'll be that. So if you could, guys, please like and subscribe. Comment down below if there's anything you'd like to see me go over on the cars. I can pretty much do a video on anything, so comment down below. Please give me some ideas. It also helps get our channel out there the more you guys interact on it. So hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and thanks to Full Bore out of Dodgeville, Wisconsin. We'll catch you guys on the next one.